In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a document repository in Confluence. We'll build a clean, searchable home for your team's files and keep everything secure and up to date. Start by opening Confluence and creating a new space dedicated to your documents. Pick a clear name and a short, memorable key so links are easy to share. If your company uses templates, choose one that fits, but the default blank space works perfectly. The goal is to keep all documents together, separate from casual project notes. Inside the new space, create a set of parent pages that act like shelves for your categories. Think along the lines of policies, procedures, templates, training, or whatever matches your organization. Keep names simple and consistent. These parent pages will form the page tree on the left, guiding people to the right place in just a few clicks. For each document, either upload the file or create a dedicated Confluence page. If the content will change often or benefits from inline comments, make it a page. If you must keep the original file format, upload it as an attachment and add a short summary on the page so readers know what they're opening. One document per page keeps things tidy and makes search results much clearer. Add labels to every page and, when useful, to attachments. Labels power Confluence search and help you build smart filters later. Choose a small, consistent set, such as department, topic, or status, and stick to lowercase words without spaces. A few great labels beat a long, messy list. If some documents require limited access, use page permissions. You can restrict viewing or editing to specific groups while leaving the rest of the space open. Apply restrictions sparingly and document who owns the page so people know whom to contact for changes. Keep versions organized using page history or attachment versions. On pages, use the history to compare edits, add meaningful change notes, and restore earlier versions if needed. For files, upload a new copy with the same file name to create a new version and include a brief summary so others see what changed at a glance. Finally, review and update the repository regularly. Set a simple review cadence, add visible last reviewed dates, and archive or refresh anything that's outdated. With a consistent rhythm, your Confluence space stays accurate, trusted, and easy to use.